The Order of National Artists, order ng pambansang alagad ng sining, is the highest national recognition given to Filipino individuals who have made significant contributions to the development of Philippine arts, namely music, dance, theater, visual arts, literature, film, broadcast arts, and architecture are allied arts. The order is jointly administered by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the Cultural Center of the Philippines and conferred by the President of the Philippines upon recommendation by both institutions. National artists are given a grand collar symbolizing their status, like the U.S. National Medal for the Arts and, and the Order of Culture of Japan. The recipient embodied the highest ideal of humanities and aesthetics, and ideal expression of Filipino are exemplified by their outstanding work and contributions. Gimenia Abad, National Artist for Literature 2022, University Professor Emeritus, College of Art and Letters 2004, Director Creative Writing Center 1995 to 1998. Fides Kuyugan Asensio, National Artist for Music 2022, Professor Emeritus, College of Music 1997. Ricardo Ricoli, National Artist for Film and Broadcast Art 2022. Agnes Locsin, National Artist for Dance 2022. Senior Lecturer, College of Music, June 19. Antonio Tony Mabesa, National Artist for Theater 2022, Professor Emeritus, College of Art and Letters 2002, Founder, Duluang of 1976. Lauro Larry Alcala, National Artist for Visual Arts 2018, Professor, College of Fine Arts. Amelia Lafenia Bonifacio,